1683, please. £32.28, please.
I'm telling you, boys.
She was my horse, and she won.
I haven't seen him in here before. Owns a racehorse, does he?
Owned. Word is, he almost lost everything.
Things are a little tight cash-wise these days, so...
Nice sirloin.
Cheers, Nellis.
I need something to look forward to when I get up in the morning. I'm going to breed a racehorse.
Aye, and I'm going to play fly half for Wales.
It's normally wealthy professionals who go in for this kind of thing.
There's ways of doing these things, isn't there? 20 people in the village put in £10 a week for 2 years.
When the horse is born, everyone will be owners. We'll all have an equal share.
Ah! If you lot are good enough to own a bloody racehorse, so am I.
It's a tenner every week, Kirby, you pillock.
Oh, God, he's gorgeous, isn't he?
He needs a name.
What about Dream Alliance? It's our dream, and we're all in it together, so Dream Alliance.
Dream Alliance!
Dream Alliance!
Remember, there's a less than 1% chance this horse will ever win a race.
He's facing the wrong way.
If he keeps going in that direction, he'll end up back in the village.
And he's pretty rough around the edges.
Come on, lad.
Governor?
He's definitely got something about him. Spirit, character. Like his owner.
Be brave. This is what you're born to do.
We're going to the races.
Our horse is gonna race! So proud of you. Seems like anything was possible.
The horse from nowhere has captured the hearts of the nation.
Dreams of beauty.
Proper Valley's boy.
We lost our jobs, our community, even our pride. And then Dream came along and reminded us what life is like when you have hope.